Hello everyone. I hope you are good and doing too well. I'm your friend Sumit Sethi and I welcome to all of you on your channel Affiliate Millionaires Club. But before going ahead, let me introduce myself to all of you. Many years ago, I started so many things. I go for the network marketing, direct selling, insurance, wellness industry. I tried each and everything to make myself successful. I make a money there, but I didn't do up to my expectations. I didn't live the life which I want to live. So at that time, I heard about the affiliate marketing. I heard that there are so many affiliate marketers in the world which are earning while traveling. They earn while they travel. They are earning the passive income. They earn while they sleep and they are living the lifestyle which they want to live. That thing stuck in my mind and I put my step in the affiliate marketing field. In the beginning, I faced failures. But when I'm going to quit, when I broke down, I was going to quit, there was a mentor who came into my life and he completely changed my life. So I will tell you ahead what he taught me. But if you are new to this channel, kindly subscribe it and hit the bell icon so that whenever I upload my video, you will get the notification. Okay, so in this video, if you are searching for if you are a beginner in the affiliate marketing and you are searching for the stuff, what you have to do, where you have to start, I will tell you 3 core values. So this is the right video and right channel for you. I will tell you the 3 core values which my mentor taught to me in the beginning. What I have to do, he said me, Sumit, you are doing well, but you are on the wrong footpath. You have to follow the path of successful affiliate marketers. You are using the wrong strategies. You have to change your strategy and you have to follow all the tools which professional affiliate marketers follow. Okay, so I will tell you in the beginning what he told me. He told me these 3 core values. First of all, you have to put these 3 core values in your mind. You have to go through these 3 core values. When you make yourself strong in these 3 core values, definitely you will get success. And the first core value is learn. That is a major thing, my friend. That is a major thing. There's a lot of stuff in the internet to learn about the affiliate marketing. Okay, so what product you have to choose, what niche you have to choose, you must have to learn. What are the platform they are offering the affiliate marketing to you? What are the products you have to find out? On which platform you have to find out the product, and on which platform you have to sell the product. You have to take the knowledge, complete knowledge regarding the social media. Go through Facebook, go through Twitter, go through LinkedIn, go through Snapchat, go through Pinterest, each and everything related to social media. Go through it. Find out where you can promote your product free without any cost, and what are the sources of paid ad, what is pay per click, pay per sale, pay per lead. Go through each and everything. What are the solo ads, what is email marketing, how you can drive traffic to your website, how you can write good blogs, how you can drive traffic to your blogs, what are the sources of your earnings. You have to learn each and every step, because if you move ahead with half knowledge, you will face failures. But failures are not bad. The thing is that most people quit there. Failures are the pathways of success. The more you fail, the more you learn. But that doesn't mean you fail again and again. Learn from your failures, move ahead. And first of all, learning is very important. Learn each and every stuff regarding the affiliate marketing. The more you learn, the more you grow. And the more you grow, the more you earn. Repeat with me. The more you learn, the more you grow. The more you grow, the more you earn. That is a key formula. So learning is your first step. Learn each and everything regarding affiliate marketing, regarding traffic, regarding email marketing, regarding the social media, regarding the free ads, regarding the solo ads, regarding the paid ads, each and every stuff. Go through it. There's a lot of data in the internet. Go through YouTube, go through Google, go through Bing. There is a lot of data. Go through it. Okay. After learn, you have to take actions. That is the most important thing. Actions. In this action, you have to, whatever you have to learn, you learn so many things. It's just like a funnel. You learn so many things and you applied all of those things to make your sale. But all of those things will not work. Out of those, you have to select the few one which work for you. Okay, which work for you. You have to find out in this process, in the action process, you have to find out which things gives you sale, which things gives you money. And these few things, when you find out these few things takes you towards the millennial color. That is the key formula, and you have to go through it. Okay, but in the action process, most people, what most people do, they follow this process up to 1 or 2 weeks. They follow this process up to 3 or 4 weeks. Then they quit. And what they said at that time, there is no money in affiliate marketing. There is such a hard work. It's impossible to generate lead. It's impossible to convert lead into a sale. That's not their fault. They are stuck with the narrow mind. Okay, so you have to make your mind strong and follow affiliate marketing up to at least minimum 12 months. If you are in this affiliate marketing and make a big money, first of all, make your mindset that you have to go to affiliate marketing up to 12 months. You have up to 12 months, you have to use each and every tool, you have to use each and every strategy which makes you money. This is the action process. In this action process, you have to find out the things which work for you. But you can't find out that things in 1 or 2 weeks or 3 or 4 weeks. In first couple of months, maybe in the first quarter, you will find out the things. In the next 3 quarters, you will make money, a good amount of money. Okay, this is the learning phase. This is the learning phase. When you learn, definitely you grow, and you grow, you will earn money. So take proper actions. In this action, you have to go through the email marketing, you have to go through the traffic, how you have to drive your traffic, how you have to mature your sale, what are things working for you. There's a lot of things. Okay, so after action, the third core value is, that is teach. What you learn, teach to the people. When you teach, definitely you learn more, and when you learn more, you grow more. Most of the people in affiliate marketing are promoting their products while they are teaching. While they are teaching, they are earning the money. That is such a beautiful, awesome thing. Teaching gives you lot of money. Okay, so what you teach, whatever you get experience from the last couple of months in your action time, you have to teach all of that material to people, to your followers here. And while teaching, definitely you will make money. You will come to know in this process how to make money while teach. So these are the core values. These are the core values you must have to go for. You must make a strong mindset. It's very important to make your mind very strong. Put these things in your mind, that without learning you can't move ahead. You can't grow, because half learning is always dangerous. Half knowledge is always dangerous. In action mode, you will find to know out what are the things working for you, what are the things which makes money to you. And in the teaching period, this period you will make lots and lot of money. So these are 3 core values which my mentor taught to me, and when I go through these core values, I make lot and lot of stuff. Okay, so what you have to do in the learning mode, we will talk in couple of videos. Right now, you have to go through these 3 things, find out the learning stuff, find out each and everything which works for you. Okay, and I will also put a link in the description box. If you want to learn a free stuff, a total free training, go through link. You have to find out that how you can promote your products on the Facebook, YouTube, Quora. There are so many things. Go to the free stuff and learn a lot. Okay, so this was the matter of the today video. In the next video, we'll find out what to do in the learning mode. Till then, have a great, fantastic and energetic day. Goodbye. See you in the next video.